Hello and welcome! Today I'm making a tofu scramble. It is my go-to meal for many reasons. It is easy and quick to make it. It is flavorful and packed with macro and micronutrients. It is especially great for people who are just transitioning to plant-based nutrition, as when you spice tofu correctly, it will resemble the usual egg scramble. In this recipe, I'm using 500 grams of firm tofu, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, then half a teaspoon of turmeric. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and will make tofu bright yellow. Then black pepper to taste. It will improve absorption of turmeric. Then 1 teaspoon of dry garlic and black salt to taste, also called Kala Namak, that will give typical sulfurous aroma that eggs have. To garnish my tofu scramble, I'm using fresh dill, a teaspoon of mixed sesame seeds, and half an avocado. Start with crumbling tofu using your hands, or you can also do it with a fork, but it is not as much fun. Then add the spices you're using, except for black salt, as it's best to add it after cooking for maximum aroma retention. Bring your pan to a medium heat. Since I'm using a non-stick frying pan, I do not need any oil. If required, you can always add some water. With your spatula, mix tofu nicely so that all the spices are well combined. 5 to 7 minutes should be enough. Once done, you can add black salt to taste, and it is ready. Plate your tofu scramble nicely with the garnishes of your choice. And enjoy! Every time, so good! And it is extremely nutritious. You get a lot of protein, healthy fats, calcium, vitamin B12, and not a trace of cholesterol. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and will give it a try. Thank you for watching. Take care and goodbye.